Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Dear friends, in this video I want to show you some memory of my childhood, because at present time I am on the same place where we often used to play cricket and we used to play kabaddi in my childhood. And I came here after a long time. So I was very surprised before some time, so I thought that I should make a video and I should share my experience and my activities, what I did in my childhood. So dear friends, I am making this video so that you may also know that how I played in my childhood and where I was playing often in my childhood. So dear friends, this is the place, this is the field, and in this field I used to play with my friends whenever when I was 5 years old, and since then I was playing in this field for a long time. And we used to enjoy in this field, and we often play hide and seek here when there was before sometimes some mango trees, and we also climbed up the tree, and we often played different kinds of game here, and we enjoyed our life too much here. And this is the memory of my pastime. And that is one kid who is sitting beside me with a bottle of water, and I hope you have understood very well that what is he doing. So my dear friends, in this garden before some years there was no any plant, and this was very neat and clean area before some years, and we often came here and we enjoyed. And when I was when I was 10 years old, my dear friends, I used to go for grazing the buffalo with my elder brother. Actually, he did not want me to go with him, but I went with him willingly. And this is the area, and as you are watching, that is very dark area, but actually this is not dark area. Actually the resolution power of my camera is not so enough as it should be. That's why the video is not making properly, but sometimes you can see, you can watch clearly. But and guys, in this side that was in this side, this one, this area, this tree is a banyan tree, and there is a deep well under that tree, and that tree is very huge and very big. And in my childhood I often went there with my friends, and we used to play hide and seek in that tree, and we often climbed up the tree and we enjoyed too much. And sometimes we parched the potato, and we also went there and we enjoyed the potato there. We enjoyed parched potato there. And sometimes and that is the long tower of electricity, and it was established I think in 2014, and before 2014 that was very clean surface area, and there was nothing, only there was a field, and the field owner cultivated the crop there. But at present time there are so many electricity pole, and that is my village. And beside this home there is my house, and this is the area, guys. I'm feeling very happy today, and after coming here, I thought that I should make video actually. So my dear friends, we will meet in other video. Till then, take care and goodbye. And I will also bring some more videos for you, in which I would like to teach you something. Actually, the main reason for making this video is to make you understand that you should try to understand my lecture. And my dear friends, this is the one specific way to learn English. If you want to improve yourself in English language, I think you should try to listen, and you should try to watch some videos of English lecture, so that you may understand clearly. And if you want to increase your vocabulary, you should read more and more books. And so my dear friends, we will meet in other video. Till then, take care and goodbye. My dear friends, if you have not subscribed my channel by now, so you are requested to subscribe my channel. So